Hello everyone, here's a travel tip I have for you. Have you ever went through the airport with a bottle of water and you forgot that it was in your carry-on? But as we know, water bottles are not allowed through security screening. You just bought your water at the store, probably cost you about $4, and it was rejected by security. So what's the solution to this? So here's a travel hack for you. Most Asian airports that I've found out have filter water machines. They dispense both hot and cold filtered water. All you need is a container, thermos, and just fill it up. Saving you a lot of money on buying bottled water at the local store. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Now you're on your way through security. You can enjoy your flight. You don't have to worry about getting thirsty. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.